Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. And we do inspirational stories, and we do these Tech Tuesdays. So do make sure you like and subscribe to any of the content that we are putting out there, so that way you'll get notifications to anything that's new that's coming out, such as a Tech Tuesday that may be related to what you're looking for. Make sure to put in the comments and or email us if there's a question or a holdup or something you need help on. We will actually put a video segment in regards to that section that you're having a issue with or a question on. So today we are back with trace, and we have talked about trace quite a bit, and this is the more advanced side of things as far as once you have established OBS, as we had talked, and you're wanting to pull recorded segments from your trace. As you see, we already have the trace set up, and as I indicated, if you have further questions, please let us know, because this is more advanced, so that way you've already, established downloading the OBS, knowing how it works, getting everything all in. And now we're just simply screen recording some of the key parts of your soccer game, whatever it may pertain to, as far as that you have recorded on trace. So this is basically the soccer game segment that Gavin has created and screen recorded. So when you do want to screen record a certain section within trace, you just put your trace on it's a lot easier with split screen. So you can have your OBS on one screen and then your trace on the other screen, and you'll see it pop up on OBS. And then as soon as you get in a key point, as you see, like these are the greens or the little goal areas, or if there's a certain segment or a time, then you would hit start recording. So as soon as you start recording this small section and it's done, then you hit stop recording, and then it will put it into a file that you have chosen, where, depending upon if it's C drive, D drive, E drive, depending upon what drives you have, it will literally save it into that drive. Once you have those files and folders in areas that you have either screen recorded, you can pull, as many as you want from a game, depending upon, the plays that you have made or the play that you want to see. If it's a 8-second play, you can just screen record that, edit it, put it, send it, put it on your YouTube, whatever social platforms, or send it to a team. If it was a bad call, bad foul, whatever it may be, you can send it to them, just that section. So that's basically how you screen capture and screen record the trace system. Now, editing is a whole different ball game. It's the same thing. We use Davinci, and these will be in other segments. So if you have questions in regards to Davinci, or if you haven't used that program, that's the one we use. It's a free program. You can also buy the paid program. There's many other editing programs out there. So as I said, these are something that you kind of have to go through and kind of learn on. It's not something that you're going to be able to just pick up and be like, oh, okay, well, I'm going to hurry up and screen record on OBS. It all has to be set up, and it all has to be done. And that's why I'm saying you want to go back and revert to our old videos. If you're already watching this video in advance, you're getting ahead of the step process. So make sure that you have done everything that we have talked about in the previous videos, and then you can start screen recording. And then once you get all your files that you want from certain games, then you can edit. So if you want to learn how to use Davinci and how to edit, we have made several videos within Davinci and editing and that editing platform. And we can talk to, topics that you have questions on in regards to Davinci. So we hope this helps in the screen recording process for your trace system. And hopefully you get some good video content. So we'll see you on the next video.